In this video, I'm gonna show you how to deploy your Node.js project to Heroku. It's super fast, simple, so let's begin. Okay, so here I have my Node.js application and I use the feathers.js to create it. If you wonder how to do that, here's the video. So what I want to do right now is to deploy this to my Heroku server. The way to do that is I already have a Heroku account. If you don't have one already, create one. But what I'll do right now is I'll click on this button, create new app. And you want to give it a name. In my case, I can give it like DevPool vehicle. DevPool because no one pretty much took it. But whatever the name you'll try to give, it will give you a message in red, probably saying that the name has been taken. So try to think of something that is available to you. I'll click on create an app. Once I have created an app, this is pretty much creating an environment. All the basic things that I have access to within this server. So I'm gonna select GitHub because that's where my code is and that's where I want to connect to. And here we have my profile that is connected to my GitHub. I want to search for the name that my project is under. So I have vehicle API. I'll click on connect. It's thinking. So right now we see those messages where we have automatic deployment, so you can enable that if you want, or you can do a manual deployment all the time. And you can also specify specific branches that you want to connect to. So in my case, I have master pointing to master because that's like the only branch I have. But if you have any other branches, you can deploy them instead. So let me enable automatic deployment, checkmark, and deploy the branch. That's it. So let's wait a little bit. Build succeeded. Nice. That is exactly what we want to see. Done. Launching, and here we go. Oh, okay. That was our URL, but we can click on this button right here, and here we go. Here we have our Node.js API running. Now, remember how we enabled automatically to be deployed to Heroku, meaning that if I were to go to any of my files right now, so let's go to index.html so we can see the change. I'm just gonna write something here right now like hello world. I'm gonna save this change and let me try to push this to my GitHub account right now. Give it a message, push. Okay, that's about done. And if I were to come here right now, if this is set up perfectly, what I can do is I can go to my overview and we can see that here's our first build that we just pushed and here's our second build. So it picked up automatically as soon as I pushed a new change. So if I click on the view build, we can see that it's building and succeeded it. So if I were to go back to my URL again, refresh the page, I didn't show up, maybe too fast. Let's go back. Yeah, now it should be done. There we go, yeah. And there we go. Hello world is out there and that's it. Once you connect it, you don't really have to do anything after. So that's kind of a cool thing about Heroku. That's about it, guys. That's all I wanted to show you. If you have any questions, leave a message and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.